Hello and welcome to the channel IT Simplified. In today's session, we'll see how to configure email one-time passcode authentication within Azure Active Directory. So let's get started. Now let's try to understand first under what scenario we'll use this option within Azure Active Directory. Now from time to time, you might have to collaborate as a company with external users. Now what happens if these external users, they are not part of any Azure Active Directory, they don't have a Microsoft account, and you have not even federated with social media accounts like Google, but you still want to share or collaborate your application with. Now in these scenarios, one-time passcode authentication can be a good idea. Through this service, a passcode is generated which is valid for 30 minutes. Now if the user to which the invitation has been sent don't utilize this passcode in next 30 minutes, they have to ask for this passcode again. And once you are logged in with this passcode, your session is valid for 24 hours. After that, that session will automatically be cancelled and the user will have to ask for this passcode again. So let me show you how the configuration steps looks like on the Azure portal. Alright, so I'm logged into the Azure portal with global admin credentials. So let me go to Azure Active Directory, external identities, and under all identity providers, you'll see I have email one-time passcode. So let's go and expand this. And starting July 2022, it will be automatically enabled. You can always disable email one-time passcode for guests, but let's go and enable this because we want to test how the flow is going to be. So that was successfully added. So let me go to my Azure AD tenant, and under manage, I'll go to users, and let's try to see how the experience is going to be for the external users. So I'm going to invite one user with the name, say, Girish. And I'm going to use a Gmail account for this demonstration. You can also personalize the message, so that will be part of the body of the invitation. And let's invite this specific user. So the invitation was sent. So let me go to my Gmail account. Let me just refresh the page. And I have received an invitation. So let's go and open that. You can see welcome to Ingram Micro the way I have configured. Let's go and accept this invitation. So I've accepted the invitation and it is saying the send code. So the passcode I should be also getting that in the email. So let's go and go back to the email. And this is the passcode that I was talking about. This passcode is valid for 30 minutes only. Let's go and copy this. And let's sign in. Accept. And here we go. Now we have access to the application. Now in this case, I have not configured or allowed any access to application for this specific users, but once that has been configured by you so that the person can collaborate, you'll see the list of all the application which has been assigned to this specific user or a group of users. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.